Welcome friends, this is Reza. You're on channel Reza Blade, and welcome today to our 4th out of 30 in 30 take 2. We're doing quick and dirty daily reviews for 30 days, and I am doing sugar bubbles today. Now this is a brand from Brazil, and they have very unique plates. They are a little pricey. They're not backed or anything. See, they're naked, and they're $8 each, or $9 now maybe. But they do have, to make up for it, they do have 100% unique images and usually copyrighted things. So I did 2 manis for you today, and I have 6 plates to look at. So let's get started. Here's my skull mani. I did a smushy with red, gray, and white, and skull images on the left hand, and on my right hand we've got gnomes. I have a video on how to do this base for stamping. This it's a 4-color variegated, kind of like a dry marble. And got some mushrooms there. Alrighty, so let's move on to the plates. Here's number 49. I hope you can see these images pretty well. We've got strawberry shortcake and Care Bears and Rugrats. We've got Muppet Babies and Gem and Rainbow Bright. So very, very wonderful there. And here's one of my skull plates. You know me, I've got more than one of these. We've got Elvira, we've got the Addams Family, we've got some more skulls, and that's plate number 50. Plate number 56 is another skull plate. And there you go. Plate number 60 is a fairy plate. Love these images here. And these are, of course, ideal for reverse stamping or decal making. Number 60. Great. And then number 61 is a gnome plate with a bunch of mushrooms at the top. You all know the red-hatted gnomes. I don't know if you guys grew up with David the gnome like I did, but that was on TV when I was little. Alright, and that is 61. This reminds me of a Brian Froud fairy kind of creature. All right, 66. We've got, this is one of their newer plates. We've got some cutesy images on here. Aminals. And we've got a cat in a teacup. We've got some French fries hanging out. Got some cat in a banana. And sushi, and some dinosaur critters or monster critters, whichever one. And that is plate number 66. Let's move on to the swatches. These do swatch very well. There's lots of detail in here. And then the last, there you go. And then 50. This is how these swatch. I love all the detail with Morticia and Wednesday. I I apologize for the images where I have extra polish on the side there. These are a little tricky to scrape. You gotta kind of practice with them. And this one is 56. All right, now we've got 60. These are the fairy images we're swatching here. I love all that detail. This is probably my favorite fairy. We've got some crystals here. Those are pretty trendy. And 61. There's those mushrooms. The gnomes. And the bottom images are way down here. How fun are those? All right, and here are 66. See how these swatch. Pretty well. I can't wait to color in that cat in a banana. That is going to be a lot of fun. All right, and that is 66. So Sugar Bubble has some unique images you can't get anywhere else. So that's why people pay the price that they cost. They are imported from, Brazil, and there are a couple of stockists who carry their plates in the US, I believe. I will have information on that in the description box. And I really do love these plates. They offer me something I can't get anywhere else. So backing or no backing, I will continue to buy them. And I hope that you guys have a fabulous day. And any questions that you have about the Sugar Bubbles plates or my Manny or anything else, or any comments you have, leave them below. Please subscribe to my channel. Every little subscriber helps. And I will, if you click on the notification bell, then it'll tell you as I continue my 30 reviews in 30 days series, it'll tell you when I release a new review. So that will be neat. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for visiting. Bye.